What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis and today we will go through some important information about Lite action camera and of course its quality for the money. If you are new here, make sure to press on the subscribe button down below so you can get notified every time when I upload new video. Lite is low budget 4K action camera, although 4K is just not useful. On the outside we can find one button and two covers. One of them is for covering micro USB port, which allow us to transfer videos and photos beside charging. And the second one at the bottom is for battery and micro SD card slot. Lite have 16 megapixel sensor for images and videos up to 4K with 20 frames per second. Very nice video comes out of Full HD at maximum 60 frames per second that can also be used as slow motion. Lens are ultra wide 150 degrees with aperture of f2.8. Lite give us multiple options to do in picture and video mode, as you can see here on the screen. We have few settings that is recommended to go through on the first boot, just to make sure that everything is where it should be, like FPS, resolution, electronic image stabilization, and so on and so on. Okay, now let's see how this tiny camera performs on the field. By the way, this is the selfie stick of Yi, and I will put the link in the description below. Beautiful sunny day and testing the microphone in Lite camera. Whew. As you can see, we can use electronic image stabilization in video, but only up to Full HD, so we can't use it in 4K. Here is the comparison when electronic image stabilization is on and when it's off. Full HD, electronic image stabilization is off. I just wanted to make comparison how good is electronic image stabilization on this camera, but we will see in the end. Okay, this is just for showing you how unuseful is 4K. First of all, you can turn on electronic image stabilization, and the second, as you can see, 20 frames per second. Disaster. Photo quality isn't the best, but good enough to be used in any social media without worries. We always have to keep in mind that we get what we pay for. So Lite is not something like its big brother Yi 4K Plus, but yet perfect budget action camera for vacation. We can connect Lite with phone over Wi-Fi, and after that we have complete control of camera on our phone with the Action app. Which I like a lot, by the way, as it's much faster than clicking on small camera screen. Don't get me wrong here, screen on Lite is great, but you know, bigger is better. So what do you think about action cameras? Do you have one? If you do, how do you use it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you however enjoyed this video, don't forget to press on the like button down below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to do that. Until the next time, stay in love. Peace.